Hello everyone, welcome to our page. Now we have our beautiful customer, Ginny.
Hi.
I have a few questions. So we did your kitchen, right? What is the reason you chose home design?
The reason I chose HomeDesign was because they were the most responsive company, and they were very friendly from the beginning, and I just had a feeling I could trust them.
How did you find us?
I think I found it through just Google searching in the area. Looked for interior design and remodeling companies.
So now we have our beautiful kitchen with gray shaker and then beautiful white quartz. And how are you enjoying your kitchen so far?
I'm loving my kitchen so far. I had friends over the day after it was finished, and we had like a party here. My friend brought this flower over for me to congratulate me, but I love it. Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah.
What is your favorite part?
The gray shakers. It just blends really well with my house, so I'm glad I chose it.
All right, so we're just wrapping up, and is there anything you want to say to the viewers?
I just want to let anyone know that, if you want to do any remodeling in the home, HomeDesign did a wonderful job, and the guys that were working in the house, they were very polite and very caring about my house. So I felt I could trust them with my home.
Bye!